I chose to read about extreme storms, and the area that I'm choosing is Atlantic City because I live relatively close and it's a popular beach city. The threat to Atlantic City would be tropical cyclones, meaning hurricanes and typhoons. This area is vulnerable because the majority of attractions in Atlantic City are located just off the water, so if any area receives intense storms, they could expect extensive damage and floods. As global warming increases, the intensity of TCs can increase and cause extensive damage to the surrounding area. While there might not be increasingly more TCs being created, the intensity and precipitation is expected to grow as the climate changes, causing more extreme storms such as Hurricane Sandy. When it comes to the community, they could expect to see property damage such as homes and marinas, flooding, and deterioration of the beaches. If the intensity of storm increases over the years, I would expect some residents of Atlantic City to relocate inland a bit to reduce their losses. Some solutions to increasingly intense storms would be to try to reduce climate change as much as possible. So hopefully we don't get to that point. However, since that seems unlikely, I think the best way for Atlantic City to stay protected from extreme storms is to keep up with the forecast and evaluate individuals as need be.